Okay, I'm building up this SBC220, yeah. But a couple of people complaining that they have problems putting it together. Instructions are rubbish and none of the holes match up. So I thought today, with my two boys there, I'll put one together and see what happens. So the first thing I've noticed is these instructions. Absolutely rubbish. Rubbish. And those cabinet leg trims are not in the box either. First thing I found out. The best thing you can do with these instructions is chuck them in the bin because they're rubbish. Okay, so I've put the legs on with the angle iron bit. You'll notice that they've got little recessed things. Yeah, hang on. These little things. So it's 3 on each corner. Okay, leaving the holes. Hopefully. So I'll just finish tightening this up and then we'll see what happens next. Right, the hopper I'm going to put in next now. The hopper comes bolted together with one bolt in either side, look. So you're going to have to take them out and lift the whole thing into that. I'll do that now and see if the holes match up. Okay, now we've got the hopper in, which is good, and all the bolts lined up nicely. There they are. Tidy job. So I'm going to tighten them up now and see what happens on the next stage. Okay, good job I stopped myself, because like an idiot I was going to tighten that up and then I noticed the bolt holes on the top. So I'm guessing I've got to take these out because they've only just been put in to make sure they line up. Oh, well, you know, these ones. So obviously you've got to go through that hole, down into that, and it gets sandwiched together. So what I'll do now then is, no doubt I've got to put some of that sealer around that, this stuff here, which comes with it. Here it is. Sponge stuff. So I'll crack on with that now and then come back to you. Right, there we go. That's the sealer. I've put that seal all the way around. Close up that, any joint. Now I'm going to put the top on and see if everything matches. It should do. We'll see. Okay, that's the top one. Looking good now. Much easier without instructions to confuse things. They all matched up inside, look. Lovely. Perfect, in fact. So now I'm going to tighten these up. Okay, that's it. They're all bolted in nicely, sealed tidy. I've put this shelf in, this hopper shelf. God knows what that's for, but maybe just to strengthen legs a bit. So they just have them, 2 on each corner. Right, I'll just put the pipe in now. There we have it. All done. Built up, nice and solid. There's the air thing, connection. I've put the gun and everything in. Quite simple really. Connected up the pipe for sucking up the media. That's it. Dump your media in there and connect your compressor and off you go. Well, I hope that helps somebody who's struggling with these absolutely rubbish instructions. Took me a while to put it together because it was on my own and I did it without instructions, but the finished job looks alright. And they are good little cabinets. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.